What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm back here at the Orlando Science Center, and we're highlighting Literacy Month, in which we're talking about fairy tales, and we got some nice literature in front of us today. I'm joined by Elizabeth, and the literature it's not for us, right? It's for our special guest.
Yes, our special guest. He, however, cannot read. So he is going to enjoy our newspaper in a little bit of a different way. So today we've got Max, our opossum here. He's a Virginia opossum, one of our ambassador animals here at the Science Center. So you might not see him every time, but it's going to be a really special experience when you do. And we're making him some enrichment.
Okay.
Enrichment is something we do every single day here at the Science Center for all of our animals to make sure they're exhibiting natural behaviors and changing up their day just a little bit. So we've got some newspaper here. If we want to take it and kind of rip it up just a little bit. So the goal is we are just going to create kind of a field for him to find things in.
A nice little scavenger hunt.
Yes, a scavenger hunt. So we're gonna put some bugs in here. I've got some crickets for us today.
Max, we got some fresh food for you.
So here he is. We're just gonna set him up here. He's got a really powerful nose.
Oh yeah, I see it going to action right now. He's working.
So he's gonna use that to help him find those bugs.
So Max's favorite food happens to be bugs, maybe crickets, you know, but can we get some more information about Max? I know that he's a marsupial, right?
Yeah, he's a marsupial. So he is a Virginia opossum, which is North America's only marsupial. And he is actually a rescue.
Okay.
So when he was a little baby, he hung out in mom's pouch. He fell off in a person's backyard, and that person tried to rehabilitate him to send him back out to the wild, but they did not quite know what they were doing and didn't feed him the proper nutrition that he needs. So his bones did not develop correctly.
Oh.
So unfortunately, he has been deemed as non-releasable, but that's why we have him here. Possums are nocturnal, so they are really going to be focusing on using that nose because there's not a whole lot of light out when they are scavenging at night. They are scavengers, so in addition to bugs, he might also eat eggs, plants, really small rodents. It's often why you find opossums out in trash cans because they are just looking for those leftovers.
For those coming to the Orlando Science Exhibit this upcoming month, what you can look forward to is Literacy Month, and we actually have some special events that we're highlighting.
We've got Fairy Tale Weekend coming up, which is going to be very exciting, highlighting how fairy tales can contribute to science.
Excellent, and that's going to be on September 21st and 22nd. We're hoping to see you guys all here. I'm Marquise Meda for the Science of It. Back to you.